Gilbert, Arizona, known for its warm, sunny climate and picturesque neighborhoods, is the perfect location to make your home a showcase of beauty and functionality. One of the most impactful ways to enhance your home's aesthetic and practical value is by installing bow windows. These elegant, outward curving windows can transform any living space into a bright, inviting, and energy-efficient area. Let's explore the numerous benefits of installing bow windows in Gilbert homes. Aesthetic appeal. Bow windows are undeniably stunning. Their unique curved design adds a touch of sophistication and charm to any home, making them a focal point for both interiors and exteriors. In Gilbert, where homes often blend contemporary styles with Southwestern influences, bow windows offer a seamless way to elevate the architectural design. Unlike flat windows, bow windows create a graceful arc, projecting outward and giving your home a sense of depth and dimension. This not only improves curb appeal but also increases the overall market value of your property. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years or sell in the near future, bow windows make a lasting impression. Natural light and scenic views. In Gilbert's sunny climate, homeowners can fully embrace natural light, and bow windows are designed to do just that. By combining multiple window panels into a gentle curve, bow windows maximize the entry of sunlight, brightening up your interiors like never before. Imagine sitting in your living room bathed in the glow of natural light, with expansive views of the desert landscapes or your carefully curated garden. Moreover, bow windows often provide panoramic views that standard windows simply cannot match. This feature is particularly appealing in Gilbert, where the surrounding scenery includes stunning sunsets, vibrant desert flora, and clear blue skies. Whether you're relaxing with family or entertaining guests, the scenic views create a serene and welcoming environment. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top concern for Gilbert homeowners, given the region's hot summers. Bow windows, when installed with energy-efficient glass and proper insulation, can help reduce your home's energy consumption. Modern bow windows are typically made with advanced materials that minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Additionally, the natural light provided by bow windows reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, cutting down on electricity costs. Over time, this investment can result in significant savings on energy bills while contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Increased space and versatility. Another standout benefit of bow windows is the extra space they create. Since they project outward from your home, bow windows form a small alcove or nook that can be used in various ways. In Gilbert homes, this space could become a cozy reading corner with a comfortable chair and soft cushions, a charming breakfast nook bathed in sunlight, a decorative shelf for plants, family photos, or seasonal decor. The versatility of bow windows allows homeowners to adapt the space to their lifestyle and preferences, making them an excellent choice for adding both function and flair. Improved ventilation. Many bow window designs include operable panels, such as casement or double-hung windows, which allow for improved airflow. In Gilbert's warm climate, this feature can be especially useful during cooler months when you want to enjoy a refreshing desert breeze. Proper ventilation not only enhances indoor air quality but also reduces reliance on air conditioning, leading to further energy savings. Customization option. Bow windows come in a wide range of materials, finishes, and styles, making it easy to tailor them to your home's unique design. Gilbert homeowners can choose frames that complement the southwestern aesthetic, such as wood or vinyl finishes in earthy tones, or opt for sleek, modern designs for a contemporary look. The ability to customize ensures that your bow windows will seamlessly integrate with your home's existing style. Conclusion. Installing bow windows in Gilbert homes offers a multitude of benefits, from enhancing aesthetic appeal and increasing natural light to improving energy efficiency and adding extra space. These elegant windows not only elevate the overall look of your home but also provide practical advantages that make daily living more enjoyable. Whether you're renovating your current home or designing a new one, bow windows are a smart investment that combines beauty, functionality, and value. With their timeless charm and modern performance features, bow windows are a perfect fit for the sunny and vibrant lifestyle of Gilbert homeowners.